Video here, pairing my garage up with my Tesla MyQ or HomeLink, which I'm basically using HomeLink in my legacy here, and Smoke as well have the HomeLink. So as you can see right here, we're going to hit create link. We're going to name it this is the main door. I'm going to do the main garage door first, then the second one. Let's see here, main door, create. So you want to have one of your clickers if possible. It's easier and faster with the clicker though. So I'm gonna go out here with the clicker here, as it says here. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Park the car in front. So we're gonna hit start. It's gonna tell you right here to go in front of the car with the remote to find that signal. So I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna press and hold it in front of the bumper. Once the light flashes on, that means it found it. So here we go. The garage is letting down. In a second or two, the light should flash. There it go. So it just flashed. Let it go. And then okay. So, and then it let it up on its arm. So that's another good sign there. After a couple seconds, it lets it back up. It's talking with the car. It's communicating. So it said recording complete. Hit continue. Now, depending on your garage, my it's the quick one. It's like a newer version of with Wi-Fi and so on. MyQ. So it's trained. So I can go to the next step, which I can just hit continue instead of going up here. I got the letter here to make this kind of quick and fast. I don't have to hit because of this particular one, so I don't have to hit the train. So the car is really ready to go. I can just skip that step and go. Hit continue. It's training. So you see it let it down. All right, training complete. No errors there. So I can test it now. I can test it by hitting here. Hit main door, and it's letting it up. So that way I don't have to use these or put them in the, this is more, I like to be simple. And no more using this here. I can just use the screen and let it do what it do here from the screen and not have these all hanging up and everything. I just get this to like family members when they come in town, they need access to the garage and so on. But so I just did a test and it worked. So we're gonna hit save. I'm gonna do that door here in a minute. Same process. So also you can set here auto open when arrive. You can do 10 feet, 20, 30, 70 feet, and so on and so on. I'm gonna do 50 feet. Auto close when leaving. So it should be good to go here. So watch this here. Bam. There you go. It's responding. So like I said, you don't even have to use this anymore. Now I'm gonna do another one here. I'm gonna do a video right quick while I'm gonna back out the garage, and it should automatically let the door down here as well, right here. So let's see. But this is my MyQ HomeLink talking with each other. There's no monthly fee that I pay or anything for mine, this particular one. But I know it's some programs that they have you paying a yearly and so on. But with this HomeLink, with my MyQ particular garage version, I don't have no monthly fee. But watch this when I leave. Doing the same thing for the second door. There you go. So the car's talking to it. The car's talking to it. Let it back up. Finish the final step. Same thing with the second door. Record complete. Bam. Training. It let it back down. Training complete. Test it out. I'm hearing it because it's even telling me on my phone here with my MyQ. Second garage door bay just closed. It's gonna say second just open back up. So it's saved, and there we go. I don't do the automatic with that one because we don't really use that much. That's what smoke being there chilling, and so yeah. So there you go. I got both of them right there, both garage doors. Same thing with smoke. All right, so as you can see, it's popping up. It's finna open up. It just made the beeping noise, and there you go. I pull up to the house, pull up, and it automatically open up the garage for me there, just like that. So you got to use the little button or anything like that. All into the car, just pull up, and then also same thing. Let's just say you ready to leave out. I'm doing this on a bad, nasty, rainy day here in Austin. I'm finna back up. Watch this. So as I'm backing up out the garage, just say you leaving, it's gonna make a chirp. There you go. It just made the chirp noise. And there you go. It's letting the garage down on its own. Just like that. Just like that. Love it. Got it working with the second bay now. There you go. Smoke is the same way. But yeah. There you have it. Set up the home link to my MyQ garage, and with the garage door opener. You got any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. We got more to come. EV Smoke ATX. Peace.